Hello. We're so glad that we could be together for the third Sunday of Lent, and we're so glad to see each and every one of you.
Oh, yeah, and I'm so glad to be here this morning. I'm going to make a big breakfast.
Oh, you are?
Yes, I am.
Where are you going to make this breakfast?
Oh, right here in my kitchen, because that's what the kitchen's for, to cook things.
I know the kitchen is to cook things, but I don't know where you're going to do any cooking.
What happened to the kitchen?
It's supposed to be a place to cook, but people are using it as a place to store stuff.
They certainly did store a lot of stuff.
So how are we supposed to cook in the kitchen when it's not used as a kitchen?
I don't know.
You know what? That reminds me of our Bible story today.
What's that?
It was about a synagogue. Do you know what a synagogue is?
I think that's where my friend, the Jewish children, go to pray to God.
Yes, and when Jesus was a young boy, he went to the synagogue and he prayed and he learned there.
Oh.
But some people were using the synagogue for other things.
Oh, like what?
Well, they were just buying and selling stuff and not spending their time praying, and Jesus was not happy about that.
Oh, no.
Oh, you know what? Let me tell you the whole story of it.
Okay.
Okay, let me get my Bible. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to John.
John. I like John.
Not long before the Jewish festival of Passover, Jesus went to Jerusalem. There he found people selling cattle, sheep, and doves in the temple.
Not in the temple.
Yes. He also saw money changers sitting at their tables. So he took some rope and made a whip. Then he chased everyone out of the temple, together with their sheep and cattle. He turned over the tables of the money changers and scattered their coins.
Well, they weren't supposed to be doing that.
Jesus said to the people who had been selling doves, "Get those doves out of here. Don't make my Father's house a marketplace." The disciples then remembered that the scriptures say, "My love for your house burns like a fire in me." The Gospel of the Lord.
Wow. Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.
So everything is made for something in particular.
Oh, just like our kitchen.
Yes, which should be used for cooking, not for storing stuff.
Right. And
Do you have a bedroom?
I have a bedroom. Yes, I do.
And what is a bedroom meant to do?
Sleep.
Yes. And do you have a dining room?
Yes.
And what do you do in a dining room?
I eat my breakfast if there's enough room to cook stuff.
And when you go to school, what is a school for?
Oh, that's to learn and listen to the teacher.
Yeah, so every place has a specific reason for it.
Wow, look what's going on here. It's beautiful. It's all clean.
We did some spring cleaning.
Spring cleaning.
Yes. Now we can cook in the kitchen like it was meant to be.
That's right. The kitchen's for cooking, and now it's all clean, so we can start cooking.
Spring cleaning is a wonderful thing to do this time of year.
Oh, okay.
As a matter of fact, Lent is a good time for spring cleaning.
Oh. Does that mean I have to clean out the dust bunnies under my bed for Lent?
Well, that wouldn't be a bad idea.
Oh.
But I was talking about cleaning out your heart for Lent.
Oh.
Maybe some of us have some bad words we use,
Oh.
or sometimes we talk mean,
Oh.
or maybe sometimes we cheat.
Oh, yeah, sometimes.
And I think that this is a good time to decide not to do that anymore.
Oh, so we can do spring cleaning in our heart for Lent.
Yes.
And we can get all ready for
Holy Week.
Holy Week, and it ends with Easter. Oh, that'd be a great idea.
I want to ask all of you if you would spend 5 minutes today. Just find a quiet spot for yourself and think about the things you do and the things you don't do. And if there's something that you do that is not good, Ask God for forgiveness and clean out your heart. So Lent is a time for spring cleaning so that we're all ready for Holy Week and for Easter. Happy spring cleaning!
Change our hearts this time. Your word says it can be. Change our minds this time.